A mysterious whale recently snapped up $6 million worth of Shiba Inu SHIB tokens in a single 24-hour spree, as reported by Whale Alert, a trusted blockchain tracker. This hefty purchase included a staggering 708.41 billion SHIB tokens acquired from the Gemini exchange. Just a week prior, another whale moved a massive 4.67 trillion SHIB tokens, valued at approximately $38.07 million in a single transaction. With the launch of Shibarium's Layer 2 solution, Shiba Inu has gained global attention, ranking as the second most trending cryptocurrency on CoinGecko. Despite these developments, SHIB's price remains subdued at 73 cents, down 3.14 in the last 24 hours, per CoinMarketCap. Join our channel for the latest updates, news, and insights on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Click the subscribe button now to stay informed and engaged with our crypto community.